What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to what you guys requested, a truck video for the second gen. All right, guys, for the people in the audience who actually follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, I basically put a poll out a couple days back saying, what would you guys like to see? Would you want me to see another tractor video where it's kind of the day-to-day workload, or do you want to see something back on the second gen? Now, if you guys have followed the channel for long enough and you subscribe, you've seen I put a little teaser out there the other day about what we got in the works. Like I told you guys, something big was in the works. But today is what nobody wants to do, maintenance time. So, from our guys at Hotshotsecret, we got ourselves a whole oil change special, and we're gonna go ahead and use some of their shift restores. Alright guys, so for anybody who's never done an oil change on a 12 valve, I'll kind of give you the breakdown. Nothing major. It's just that time of the year where I've got roughly about 3,000 miles on the truck since the last time I changed the oil, and obviously roughly 10 passes at the track. It's time to go ahead and change it. Now usually I run Rotella, but like I said, for this video we're going to go ahead and feature Hotshotsecret's Diamond Elite 1540 full synthetic. Again, also all their oils have FR3 in it. Again, if you guys have not looked up what FR3 is, a lot of testing has been done through Firepunk Diesel, as far as for horsepower gains, you know, through across the board. And also, if you've seen Hotshotsecret's new video featuring the Executioner engine that was put in Hotshot's S10 or Firepunk's S10, that right there alone tells you just the amazing additive that they put out for their oils. All right, so the average 12 valve is between 10 and 11 quart capacity. Again, we're going to be adding FR3 as an additive as well, so roughly we're going to cut it back to 10, make it 11 with the FR3. We're going to run a Mopar filter, which I always do. There's your part number right there. And because it's hard to get a gasket locally, I just go ahead and get a whole new drain plug with gasket. Again, part number, Dorman part number is right there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so tools needed, nothing really major. 3/8 drive ratchet, halfway decent filter wrench. I've had this one for like 10 years, and this one gets right where I need to in tight spaces. And a torque wrench, you're gonna torque the drain plug to 44 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go and put you guys on a time lapse just to kind of go over it. Alright guys, so once you get the oil filter removed, I like to prime the filter a little bit just to kind of expedite oil pressure. So again, 12 valve oil pumps they don't like to be starved of oil, so prime it up a little bit. Make sure you lube up that O-ring, and you're pretty much good to go. Put it in hand tight. You ain't got to go crazy with it. Some guys like to do that, and all you end up doing is blowing out the O-ring. So, right, guys, so once you have obviously changed the oil filter, go back and get your drain plug. And again, 44 foot-pounds. If you're looking for a replacement, you can get the Dorman ones pretty much in an AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts online. There's your part number. So go ahead and torque it to 44, and time to fill it up. All right, now it's time to go ahead and top it off. Again, fantastic product here, Hotshotsecret. And let's not forget the secret sauce here. Alright guys, so when you got it all topped off, you know, check your level, go ahead and start it, and we'll check and see if we've got any leaks. And of course, always check oil pressure. Alright, oil pressure came up. Check yourself for some leaks. check your levels and you're good to go. All right, guys, and before we cut out, I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of the shift restore to the trans. We're roughly about half quart low, which is perfect. Again, check your levels in neutral with the transmission and the warm, and that should be about it. Updates will be coming soon on this guy right here. Not that I have any transmission issues right now, but hey, it can only get better. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and check out here. Again, thanks for watching. All the products featured today will be in a link in the description below. Also, my discount code for Hotshotsecret is also down there in the description code as well, 10% off at checkout. So again, thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, P-Pump the world, and we'll check you guys out in the next one.